Welcome to the channel. This video is the first in a series of tutorials that explain the basis of Sendinblue. In this video I will show you how to set up a list in which to collect your contacts data. I hope that you enjoy this tutorial. Look out for the rest of the series as I will explain each step in helping you gather clients' email addresses and then use that information to send them emails, newsletters and launch promotions, all for free. So what is a clients list? This is a place on Sendinblue that you send your signed up form data information to. You can then use this data to send emails, newsletters and launch new promotions. Any client that signs up to one of your forms means they have read your content and decided to give you their information. Research suggests that 96% of all visitors to a website are not ready to make a purchase straight away. So it's important for companies to have an effective process for capturing the attention of prospects who are interested in what they have to offer. Even though many consider email to be an old marketing method, it is still the most effective solution for connecting with your audience and keeping them updated with your business on a regular basis. And it's not just me saying that, there's raw data that confirms email supremacy. According to a study made by GM and Extol, email is considered the best tactic for many companies to promote their products. The study was based on a survey responses from 300 marketeers in the US. The result shows that email is used regularly by 86% of respondents. 75% of businesses agree that email gives them excellent good ROI, return on investment. Need more data? Exact Target says 95% of online consumers use email and 91% of them use email at least daily. What all this translates to is simple. If you want to be able to reach your people reliably and on your terms, email will let you do that. And to be able to use email, you need a client list. So on to making a list to collect your data from a form, which future clients can sign up for either via a newsletter or promotion for your business. First, you will need to download and then open Sendinblue. Make sure it's the free version. I will post a link to the Sendinblue website below. You will then need to be on the dashboard page. So here we are on your dashboard. From your dashboard you need to go to Contacts, then on to Lists, then on to Add a New List. You need to then name your list. And obviously then create an empty list. You now have made your complete first list on which you can store your imported contacts into. These tutorials are designed as a separate set of videos that run alongside the series to help you rebrand and run a more profitable photography business or start a new photography business. If you enjoyed this video and feel it has helped you, please like it, subscribe, as that helps me grow the channel. Also, if you have any topics you would like covered or questions, please post them below. I look forward to seeing you soon and please stay safe.